Guys, welcome to AmpQuartz, and for today's episode, we're gonna talk about the combination with solid plywood kitchen cabinet and the quartz countertops. So the first benefit of this combination is gonna be the durability and strength. So firstly, solid plywood cabinets. Plywood is known for its superior strength and durability compared to other engineered wood. It resists warping and cracking, making it ideal for withstanding the weight of heavy cookware and frequent usage in the kitchen. For quartz countertops, quartz is an engineered stone that combines natural quartz with resins and pigments. This creates a non-porous and highly durable surface that resists scratches, stains and impact damage. And for the reason why it works together, both materials are built to last, while plywood ensures sturdy structures for your kitchen cabinet. Quartz ensures a non-porous surface and very easy for you to maintain. So for the second benefit of this combination is gonna be the moisture resistance. Firstly, when it comes to solid plywood cabinets, plywood is less prone to absorbing moisture than particle board, making it a great choice for areas like the kitchen where spills and humidity are common. Secondly, the quartz countertops. Quartz is non-porous, as I mentioned. Non-porous nature means it does not absorb liquids, making it highly resistant to stains and spills and water damage. This combination minimizes the risk of water-related issues in the kitchen, ensuring that both of the cabinets and countertops will help you maintain their integrity and appearance over the time and heavy cooking sessions. So when it comes to the third benefit, it's gonna be the low maintenance ability. So solid plywood kitchen cabinets. Plywood kitchen cabinet require minimal maintenance as they can be easily cleaned with a damp cloth and mild detergent. Quartz countertops, whenever, is incredibly easy to clean and does not require sealing, unlike a lot of other natural stones like granite or marble, which is a good material but also luxury to maintain. Why it works together? Because they create a kitchen that is hassle-free in long term. You might not feel the necessary of hassle-free, but in long term, where you keep using it over years, months after months, years after years, you're gonna feel it. Hassle-free is actually very important for your cabinet and countertops. So for the fourth point, it's gonna be the aesthetic appearance. So solid plywood cabinets. Plywood cabinets are versatile and can be finished with a wide range of veneers, paints or laminates, offering endless design possibilities to match any kitchen style. For the quartz countertops, quartz comes in a variety of colors and patterns, often can allow you to mimic the look of a natural stone while providing a consistent and polished appearance. This pairing allows for a harmonious blend of style and functionality, enabling homeowners to create a visually stunning kitchen that reflects their personal taste. With solid plywood kitchen cabinet and quartz countertop, you can actually freely to design your own colors and style that you are desiring. So for the fifth point is gonna be the eco-friendliness. Firstly, the solid plywood kitchen cabinet. Many plywood options are made using sustainable forestry practices and low formaldehyde adhesive, making them not only an environmentally friendly choice but also a very healthy choice for your living environment. Secondly, the quartz countertops. Quartz is made from abundant natural materials, a lot of it, and some brands even incorporate recycled content into their quartz products. And why this combination works like eco-friendly? Because both materials align with eco-conscious values, making them a great choice for homeowners who prioritize sustainability in their kitchen design. Furthermore, you can maintain your health in your living environment. So for the sixth point, which is very important one, is cost effectiveness. So for solid plywood kitchen cabinet, they are slightly more expensive than particle board, but solid plywood offers better longevity, making it a cost-effective choice in the long run, especially very important if you want to build a long-term kitchen cabinet. For quartz countertops, quartz can provide you the luxury look of a natural stone without the high price tag of marble or granite. As I mentioned, quartz can imitate the look of it. So its durability also reduces the need for frequent repairs or replacement like the luxurious product of natural stone, granite or marble. So this combination actually offers excellent value for money by providing high quality materials that reduce long-term maintenance and replacement costs. So for the last point of today's episode, obviously it's going to be the versatility and customization ability of this combination. When it comes to solid plywood cabinets, plywood can be cut and shaped into various designs, making it highly customizable for different kitchen layouts and styles. For quartz countertops, quartz is versatile in terms of design and can be customized to fit unique kitchen shapes and dimensions. For example, L shape, U shape, G shape. So this combination has the flexibility of both materials, allow the homeowners to create a tailored kitchen setup that meets their specific needs and preference, ensuring both of the functionality and style are what they want. So to sum up, we know that the combinations of solid plywood and quartz countertop not only provide you the benefits of eco-friendliness, durability and strength, but also it provides you the ability to fully customize yourself, which allow you to create a versatile and customizable kitchen cabinet for your kitchen. This is for the episode of the combination between solid plywood and quartz countertops. Hopefully you learn something that will help you in the future. Stay safe! For AmpQuartz, we also have amazing carpentry. For example, we have over 1,000 plus of designs and material for you to customize your own ideal kitchen cabinet. And we also have very professional, dedicated cabinet consultant. So, when you come to us, consult with our dedicated cabinet consultant, you will be provided up to 3 times of free 3D drawings, and this is for you to ensure that our design and material suits your every need and desires. And after your installation is completed, you will get about 2 hours of free cleaning service. So if you say, hey, kitchen cabinet very expensive, but no worries, we provide you up to 24 months of installment with 0% of interest to ensure that you won't have any cash flow problem, but also you can bring home your ideal kitchen cabinet.
Finally, remember to visit us at Taman Gaya to lock down the price now with us, as the price of renovation costs are keep increasing due to the supply chain and the economy of Malaysia. Act now.